The national anthem of Pakistan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Excellency, Mr. President, may I request your permission to commence the proceeding of the oath-taking ceremony? Thank you, sir. Jazakallah. I shall now read the official notification of appointment. Ministry of Law and Justice, 23rd October 2024, in exercise of the powers conferred by Clause 3 of Article 175A, read with Article 177 and 179 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan is pleased to appoint Honorable Mr. Justice Yahya Afridi, Judge of the Supreme Court, as Chief Justice of Pakistan for a term of 3 years with effect from 26th October 2024. Your Excellency, Mr. President, may I request you to administer the oath of office to Mr. Justice Yahya Afridi as Chief Justice of Pakistan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I,
Justice Yahya Afridi,
do solemnly swear that I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan, that I, as Chief Justice of Pakistan, I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly to the best of my abilities and faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and law.
in accordance with the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law.
That I will abide
by
the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council.
That I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council.
That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions.
That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions.
That I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
That I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
And that in all circumstances I will do right in all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
And that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
May Allah Almighty help and guide.
May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Ameen.
Your Excellency, with your permission, may I now conclude the proceeding of the ceremony? The proceedings have now been concluded. Please join us for the refreshment. Thank you.